Hey, welcome back to the Busy Gardener channel. In this episode, we are going to plant something that is so difficult to find right now, but you can grow it in your own backyard. And that is, we're going to plant toilet paper. Let's get busy. Okay, so one of the things that is just so desperately missing right now during this COVID-19 thing is toilet paper. And, it's been really tough. We've never known really in our lifetimes, most people that I know in their lifetimes, where there's been such a time of shortage like there is right now. And even on basic things you wouldn't expect to be missing, like toilet paper. People are kind of panicking. And so that's one thing that I'm thankful for is I've really worked hard to have fruit trees, have chickens, so that way we get eggs. But I also want to share with you how to plant a toilet paper tree. So that way you don't have to battle the crowds at Costco to try to get toilet paper. So we're going to take a couple minutes to plant. In order to start with your toilet paper tree, you just start with one of, obviously one of these things, the little tube that's inside it. And this is kind of the toilet paper seed. Sometimes you get one and it has a little bit of toilet paper left on it. You just take that off. You want them to be clean when you plant them. And so when you're planting, you're digging, you're going to want to dig so that way you're going to have about an inch of soil over the top of your toilet paper tree. You don't want it to go sideways. You want it to be upright. So I'm going to dig a hole right here. I'm going to, this one looks a little bit more beat up, so I'll use this one. Usually it takes about a week or so for you to have fruit on your toilet paper tree. So I'm going to plant this right now, and then we'll kind of come back to it and see how it's doing. Now, when you do this, you want to pat the soil around it. Still rocks as usual up here. So you want to pat the soil down around it, and that'll enable it to just really make good contact with the ground. Okay, well, we'll come back and see the results after this has gotten a chance to grow for like a week or so. All right, so we're gonna come check on the progress of our toilet paper tree. Weather's been pretty warm, so stuff in our garden has been growing pretty quick. Oh, wow. Yes. Oh, it's not quite there yet. You can see there's progress here. You can see that it's just not quite ready to pick yet. They're not the customary roll that you're used to seeing in the store. Let me see. Yeah, oh, good, here. So this lets me know that we are probably just a couple of days out from being able to come out and harvest toilet paper rolls. You don't want them to go too far because then they kind of, the little squares start falling apart. So we'll come back in a couple of days and see where this is at. All right, so it's been about 10 days since we planted toilet paper, and we are gonna go see, a couple days ago, I could see the kind of buds of some of those toilet paper rolls starting. Let's go see if we've got any, come on. Guys, you see it over there?
Yeah.
What is it? Let's go. What's on that tree?
Toilet paper.
Oh my goodness, it's ready. Look at it. Look, we got a whole roll. Oh, we lost a little bit of fruit down there. A little roll is down there. That one's not quite ready, but hold on. Does that one look ripe?
Yeah.
What do you think, Evan?
Yeah.
Looking pretty good? All right, so here, we gotta just, little branch broke off. Let's see, it's a little bit squished in the middle, so I wanna make sure that's, but guys, this is perfect. That worked out really great, huh?
Yeah.
Hey, so if you're having trouble finding toilet paper, you can just find one of those little toilet paper seeds, plant it 10 days later, you'll have something like this. All right, who needs some toilet paper? You? During this time of uncertainty and kind of a lot of questions, a lot of adjustments that we're having to make, it's important to kind of keep a smile going on. So, hey, appreciate you tuning in. Whether you've got one roll of toilet paper in your house or 500. Until next time,
Stay busy.
Stay busy.